hotter. Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Some of viewers and subscribers, we see yesterday, my people. You understand? Panny Wednesday, July the 13th, my people. We say HAPP3NED cry out, my people, speak out. You understand? You don't know, so she is a farmer, Miss Jamaica Universe, my people. And she say, yo, she was robbed, you understand, by bike occupants over, you know what I mean, at a general foods supermarket and thing in a Jamaica, my people. Zin? And she say, basically, she got the supermarket people, she walking at the car park, and as she reach close to the door where she enter, one man just come grab her bag, then jump on a motorcycle with another one ride and gone. Then, me go show a video, my people, where release of the incident, my viewers and subscribers. For sure, say, a real thing go on. You understand? The crook them strike, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, just look on this, my people. Some viewers and subscribers. See, she come forward, she make a post and she say, yo boy, there is nowhere in Jamaica you're safe, my people. And when I look into it, a real thing she attacking on my people, nowhere at all. Because the woman, my people, yo, she a walking up. Basically, this someone a spot her already. And I don't know if him know her and say, you know, say, yo, what that woman always depend on TV or something and she got money and them something, my people. But him spot her, him plan, him just grab the bag, my people, and the bike just roll up same time and him jump on it and gone. And I ever see close by like one security there, other people there and like she a cry out and nobody can do nothing. Everybody does have to look. And me I said, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Look at this. I see him where they could have just roll up my people and take her 3 points. You understand? Uno thief, uno look a crooks pan that bike there. Where rob the Miss Jamaica Farmer Universe, you understand, HAPP3NED, you know what I mean, at the general food supermarket, wherever, anywhere in a Jamaica. Listen, me I tell you, no two thief, no need to go look work, you understand, no need to go look work, man, stop thief, How much son could I get out of her bag? Honestly, I just pity something could walk forward same time a car and just a chuck or a bus or something and just tuck on off and knock on off. You understand? Yeah, man. But me tell you, the crooks like uno will be found and uno will be dealing. The two thief, uno for stop thief. You understand? Stop thief. Get what me I say, uno for stop thief. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. I see him some say one video my people about some other crooks so them holding a Jamaica and my people. You understand? Some other crooks. I mean I say look pan this. Look pan this.
You will look like you want. Nah, move, daddy, me know me wrong, daddy. Nah, move. I just make way try big. Lie down. Lie down. No. Ah, that's easy up for 5. You don't understand it. No, dead alive from the thing. Now I run and make a man shoot me, daddy. Me not time for that, daddy. Me not tell you my mind, daddy. Straight, daddy. No. Right now, I was like, I don't tell you, as a young man, I find where you come. And I also do look a cup of the kind of deal with and look some little things set up for the woman. Daddy, I tell you. You come here from the party and you help me, daddy. I also a little thing, I two little cup of me, father. I'm not going on nobody else, I'm not doing something. No, nobody, boy. I'd rather go on papa and use daddy. I'm not going on nobody, my father. And you don't understand, no, you don't. That's a better life, expressing feelings, you understand? And you have a lot put up. Right now, between you, I'm saying the father, my be mother by ocean, my mother can have right now as we speak. Who will be the feed that tomorrow? Why are them behind over there?
Yes, after that. They have evidence. It's all in your portion now. Look, you know.
Jaja. Uno fi stop thief, man. Uno no want work. Uno fi go look work. You get what I'm saying? Go look work. When I go say no work, no they no work, no they go look work. And if no work, no the days of the things on the can. But thieving, if you grab people back and them something here. Remember me telling that. You understand? Some people, big up in yourself, man. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And thanks to love, the support, the like, the share, and the comments. I don't know one team, one team, one scheme, one attacking boss. Some people. Peace out. Big up every time. Attack.